Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make homemade pasta. So it's very easy and simple recipe. Let's get started. So if you want to learn, please keep watching and join me. So first I'm going to add cooking oil. Next I'm going to add garlic. I'm going to add onion. Next, I'm going to add meat. I'm going to use mutton. You can use any kind of meat as you like. I'm going to add salt, just a little bit, and cook for 20 minutes. Leave it for 20 minutes for low heat. Now let's make the tomato paste. I put 3 tomatoes. I'm going to boil pasta. So first you need to put little salt and add the pasta. How much you need, you can add it. And boil for 7 to 8 minutes. Now I'm going to add carrot. Now I'm going to add beans and capsicum, red and green color capsicum, beans, carrot. Add this. You can add any kind of vegetable as you like. Tomato ketchup, just a little bit. Little bit chili powder. Add little salt, black pepper, and mix juice like juice. Now it's ready, my pasta sauce. Now it's time to add the pasta. Mix well. Okay guys, now my pasta is ready. So if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and bye bye. See you in the next video.